Welcome to FaceForward Software. In today's video, we're going to talk about tile options within Streamline. Notice I'm already logged in, so I'm going to go down here and click on the tile I want to go to. I'm going to go, and this is our tile options menu. Notice in here we've got save, save as. These will both do the same in saving your tile to your tiles library. Copy to make a direct copy or duplicate of your tile. Remove to delete your tile. Print preview is to print and or export your tile. Email selected data is to email your data to a particular user within Streamline. Clear filter, clear out any particular filter already turned on for your tile. And options, which is where I'll spend more time today at. I'm going to click on options. You'll see our additional menu come up here. It's going to start with just general information. So name, an optional description, what data source you're going to be pulling from, and what type of tile you want to set up. We've got grid, pivot, chart, or pie, and of course today I've got pivot selected. If I click on this gear tab, this is the layout tab, and this is where you'll spend most of your time. I'm going to pick one of my options here and just dive into the options that you can dive into here. Notice I've got several different subtabs, and one of those is format. If I click on format, this will take me into how I want to format my number. You can get very specific in here. In fact, you can do it as %accuracy general if you prefer. I've got an analysis tab. This analysis tab is good for things such as sum, your minimum, max, average, count. A lot of different ways that you can set this up. If I get out of this here, next one up is filters. Filters, you have several different filters to choose from: distinct, range, and compare. This particular example, I've got it set up where I'm going to do compare. Notice how I'll turn on the filter option right here. And maybe we'll do greater than, and then your number, which I'll leave at 0. If you have more questions or information, feel free to check out our tile filters video, which will dive into more on how filters work. For our last tab, this is simply our general tab. This is how the field reads in the database, and as you can see here, this is coming out of the famous database, hence the FMS information right there in the name. If you want more information or have questions or even submit tickets for help, you can visit our community website, which is https://community.faceforwardsoftware, all one word, .com. Thank you so much.